what's special for this SV-0258. Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to introduce a new low-profile servo to you guys. This one is an entry level SV-0258. So this, we call it the pressure line. We designed the limited power consumption on the DC motors. So this servo can survive for most of the ESC. The BEC is only 1.58. So you don't need to add a capacitor for your BEC. And because it's an entry level, the customer is more price sensitive. So we designed it as an all plastic case, but all metal gear design. The cable length is around 25 centimeters. And this servo also can use in high voltage, but only 7.4 volt. So the spec on the 7.4 volt is 0.11 on the speed and 8 kg on the torque. So if you are interested with this entry-level battery line, the SV-0258MG, please contact with our local distributor or contact with SAVOX for more information. Thank you.